I've come out here to the back of Abermain in New South Wales, Australia, to do what's called the Mud Hill power line track. I don't know what I'm going to encounter. We've just aired down the tyres and we're about to head off, so let's see how we get on. So we're just coming up here to our first challenge. It is a slightly off camber, slightly muddy slope. The other two cars have gone down in front of me and they seem to be going fine, so we'll give it a go in a shot and see how we get on. Oh. Yeah, you did. Now, as you can see, this track mostly follows the power lines that we're running along here, and so far there's been a chicken track for every hard crossing if you wish to take the chicken track. Some of the chicken tracks I've just gone because I don't want to damage my car. So yeah, if you come and do this track, it has a chicken track for everything, and so far it's been a bit of fun. Keep going and see what's up ahead. So we've turned off from under the power lines now and we're heading off into the bush here. Quite a tight little technical track in sections, only going very, very slow. So yeah, it's still good track. Just got to keep an eye out for the washouts on the side. Okay, so we've been driving in the Waikato National Park. There's no domestic animals, no dogs. That means no dumping of rubbish and no collecting of firewood, and all vehicles must be registered. So we've come out here. We're just at the end of the road, and we're going to start heading back. But all in all, it's been a good little trip, a good little drive. I would recommend it. Yeah, I think that it's a good track. Give it a thumbs up. Get out there, guys. Have fun 4-wheel driving. Make sure you look after the bush.